So similarly, Kim wants to have $10,000 to vacation in Europe 4 years from now. She's going to make monthly payments for 4 years. In other words, 48 payments into an annuity offering 2.9% interest compounded monthly. So how much does she need to deposit monthly to have the 10,000 at the end of 4 years? This is a reverse of what we saw in number 12. R was how much was deposited monthly, and S was our total at the end. We want the 10,000 at the end. So we're going to have to figure out what R is. And so what I did, compared to the previous question, was I multiplied both sides by the reciprocal of that fraction so that R is isolated. And once again, replacing I with R over M and N with M over T. Even if you do have it chunked up into those separate formulas, you are going to be finding out those things pretty early when it comes to applying the order of operations. So 0.029, because of the 2.9%, I moved that 2 to the left, divide everything by 12. The exponent I'm going to have, 48 payments. Now let me do a little calculation here. If I were to divide 10,000 by 48, then without interest, 10,000 divided by 48, what I would expect. Remember, this is a reverse of the previous question. We're looking for what monthly payment to make. So we got higher than the 9,600 I predicted. Here, this would be, if there is no interest, here's how much would have to be deposited each month. So because interest is being added on, I expect our answer is going to be less than $208.33 a month. So let's check that out. Continuing with what I had shown here. Continuing that. Well, I'm going to find out what the 0.029 divided by 12 is. We get this messy 0.00241, blah, 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 7. I'm going to, in the denominator, add that to the 1. And let's see here. Also, the power we're going to raise things to. Notice how it shows up only in the denominator after we add the 1. It is not in the numerator. Okay. So coming up with this. Subtract the 1 in the denominator to get this number less than 1. And when I divide, I get, when rounded to the nearest hundredth, 196.73. I was predicting without any interest to $108.33. So about $12 less per month because of the interest. That's good. It's good. It's good. That's pretty cool.